time I do that sequence, makes me tired. What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt for y'all today. It's a beautiful day. Wait, let me talk to you guys a little. Wait. Let's set this. Are you guys seeing me? What's up? 1, how you guys enjoy my vlog so far? 2, what kind of vlogs do you guys want to see? 3, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going, you know where I'm going. I'm going to the beach. What I've noticed about these beach vlogs is that the wind on the beach, it's really annoying. So what I'm going to try to do for today's beach vlog, I'm gonna try and make it into like a mini movie type thing. I won't talk to you guys unless positive that there's no wind blowing into the mic. But for the rest of the vlog, some nice effects or something of the sort, and make it like a mini movie type. That way I can avoid the of the breeze into the lens. If you guys think it's a great idea, let me know. If not, leave a comment. So let's do this. Got here, just got a call. My friends already left. I have to make my way to the beach by myself, but it's all good. I'm gonna pick up a couple of snacks and yeah. I'm trying to make my vlogs quick and snappy. So I'm just gonna pick up a few quick snacks and then we're out of here. Got some snacks. Let's fast forward to the beach. Still not there yet. Let's try again. So yeah guys, we're here. It's not as windy as I thought it would be, but I'm gonna make it work. So enjoy my mini movie. By the 5 and we had to leave. Welcome to Animal Planet. We're here in the jungle. I just saw a cat, a huge cat, chasing its prey. Let's go and see what happens there.